Hi, welcome to Subscriptions Galore. My name is Kristen, and today I have for you a door box. If you don't know what a door box is, it is a makeup or a beauty and lifestyle subscription box. Each month they say that they have 4 to 10 items ranging from samples to full-size products. They also have you, when you sign up, you fill out like your shirt size, so I'm assuming sometimes you might get clothing. Their normal box costs $15 a month. They also have a box where you can get twice the amount of products, so it would just be everything that comes in here times 2, so basically 2 of everything. And they also have a quarterly box, and the quarterly box costs $39.99, and it's a little bit bigger. A door box only ships to the US and Canada currently, and it's free shipping in the US. They do charge shipping to Canada. I do have to say, when I checked the mailbox and found this mailer in the box, I was kind of disappointed because the name is a door box, and so I was expecting a box, not an envelope. So yeah, I was a little bit disappointed, but we'll see what comes in here. I have no idea what's in here, but as small as this is, I'm assuming it's more on the smaller size, like 4 to 5 items or something. Not near 10. I don't think 10 items would fit in here unless all 10 items were samples. Anyhow, without further ado, let's get into it and see what comes in here. All of my items are in this lovely little paper bag, and there's a little heart that says thank you on it. Inside the bag there is a product card that tells you a little bit about the products, and it gives you the cost of those. I'm going to set this off to the side so I can reference it as we go, and I can tell you how much each item costs. And then at the end of the box we will add it all up, and I will tell you the cost of this box compared to how much I actually paid for it. I'm going to start with the biggest item in here, which is a kabuki brush, small kabuki brush by Crown Brush. I've never seen this brand of brush before, but then again, I'm not huge into the beauty world, and I just dabble a little bit here and there in makeup, so it could be a popular brand and I wouldn't know. Not dense at all, but super soft. The price of this Crown brush is $12, and they do say that this is a full-size item. Ooh. Next we have eyelashes from Casina Professional. I think it's Casina Professional. They're tapered end lashes, very pretty. I've never worn fake eyelashes before, but hey, maybe since I have them, I will give them a try and see if I like them. I just don't have anything to compare them to as far as other brands. The Casina strip eyelashes are full size, obviously, and they are $11. Feels like a pencil eyeliner? Yeah. Roll It Up Auto Eyeliner by J-Cat Beauty. I have heard of J-Cat Beauty before, and this is in the color dark gray. I am not a big eyeliner person. I don't usually wear eyeliner. I was real big into it as a teen, but as an adult, I just don't wear eyeliner very much. That's what it looks like. A dark gray color, very creamy and smooth. doesn't look like it will stay. It does kind of move around a lot. Maybe it would dry down. I have a problem with my eyes being real hooded, and so anytime I put eyeliner on it, it ends up transferring to my top eyelid and smearing all over the place, and just, it doesn't look good. Maybe I'll try it out and see. I could maybe just use it in my waterline or something like that. The eyeliner is also full size, and it is $2.99. Next, we have what looks like a torture device from Makeup Tool Eyelash. It has a crown on it. It looks similar to the other one, but I think it's by a different brand. I'm assuming it's to help apply the eyelashes, but it's just tweezers. But they're very thin, and I think I'd be afraid to like stab myself in the eye with these. I don't know. Maybe I'll give them a go when I try out the eyelashes. I don't know if I will or not, because quite honestly, these scare me. But they are full size again, and they cost $3.99. The last item in here is by City Chic. City Color, and it is in the color Je T'aime. Can't pronounce it. It's a pinkish color, and let's open it up and find out. Alright, so it's just a normal lipstick, and the top has a little emblem stamped into it. Pretty color. I would definitely wear this. Ooh, very creamy. Very bright pink for summertime. It does seem like it would transfer a lot. It's a very shiny lipstick. Just your normal, I think. It is a full-size product, and it is $9.99. There you have all my products. I got 5 products in this Adore box. No lifestyle products. It was all beauty related this month. The total cost of all 5 items today is $39.97. So it's a little bit more than double the price that you're paying for the box. Is it a huge amount of difference? No, but it is a great deal, I think, and all the products seem really nice. Altogether, $15. Yeah, it was a good box. Nothing I'm super excited about and going, I can't wait till next month's box to see what's in here. But at the same time, it's not a total flop. I'm just kind of like, nah, it was good, but it was just meh. So let me know in the comments down below if you would purchase this box knowing that they say it's a beauty and lifestyle box. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.